What's up, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Troy here, and in today's video I'm gonna do something a little different. You know, most of the time I'm on my channel, I'm throwing out videos when it comes to building a business from home and, you know, making an income from home and a little bit of inspirational things, you know. But this time I'm gonna inspire you to step out of your comfort zone, because what I'm gonna do right now is something I've never done before. I'm going to give myself a full-on haircut right now. You know, there's no way to get to a barbershop. We're all going through the COVID-19 situation and we are all stuck in the house. So since I'm stuck in the house, I might as well learn something new, right? So I'm gonna do my best to clean this mess. All of this mess right here. You see this mess? I gotta fix it. Because I'm still working about 3 days out of a 5-day week. So I'm still gotta go outside and be in front of people, and I don't wanna look like a hot mess the whole time. So I gotta do something about it. Now, relating this to business, because you know we always gotta take it back there. You have to step out of your comfort zone sometimes. So that's exactly what I'm doing in today's video, stepping out of my comfort zone. But I'm using some clippers to do that with, alright? So listen, sit back, relax, enjoy this video. Go on this little journey with me. Hopefully I don't zeke myself and tear up the whole line or nothing like that. At least it'll be fun, right? So enjoy the video. I might have a mess to clean up after this one. You gotta go with the grain, I know that much. With the grain. You see all those YouTube videos I used to watch in the back of the day that make it come out decent today. I gotta get those waves spinning again. You gotta get the spinners back. So I am not a lefty, I am a righty. So I'm using this left hand right now, and I'm trying to make sure I don't tear it up. I got the mirror in one hand, got the clippers in the other, and I still don't know what I'm doing. But I did the front so far. It don't look too bad. Don't look too bad, right? Spinning a little bit, you know what I'm saying? It's starting to look like a little something. Get a little bit of the hang of this thing. The hesitation is real with this left hand, y'all. Woo, it's real. So I think everything's just about on the same height. I already messed up right there. You see that? Oh man, I messed it up. Alright, now I think I got it all on the same height right now. What do y'all think so far? Alright, so now it's time to do the shaping up. Now this is the part I'm pretty okay with right here. The hard part for me, I would think, is over, but we'll see. Time to get that. And this T-liner right here, that T-liner. And listen, look at this thing. Let me see if focuses in. Look at that, I done broke it already. I might have to go on the website and on Amazon or something and get a new T-line piece. Then just got the thing and chipped it. Now it's time to get sexy real quick. You know, throw the T-liner on. Throw the T-liner on. goes that left hand again, y'all. I ain't that great. Let me switch back. This saw's longer than that saw. I gotta fix that. That's the scariest part right now, trying to do that line, man. I don't really know if I want to touch that line. Now this part right here, I think it's probably the hardest part for me. This one I'm gonna have to practice a lot on if I'm gonna do this right, you know, and get it right. This is the part when you line up the back. Now, I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna do the best we can. That's what we're gonna do. Hit that left hand again. Ooh, I'm definitely messing up the back. Oh no. I feel like my left hand was better than my right hand on this. And that's about all I'm gonna do to my back. I don't want to mess it up. I think that was pretty good though. So guys, this is the finished product. What do you think? What do you think? So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. I hope I made it look good enough for you to be able to stay through the whole video and watch it. Listen, I hope this helps someone out there who does not know how to cut their own hair. I mean, shoot. If you might know how to do it and you're nervous about doing it, step out on faith and just go ahead and do it, man. I mean, listen, in 2 weeks, it'd be like it never happened again anyway. So that's what I did. I waited 2 weeks. I cut my hair just now in front of you guys for the first time, and not bad, not bad. And now I'm able to walk amongst the living now. I feel like I can, I don't look crazy anymore. So all right guys, well listen, thank you for supporting the channel. This is Troy. If you like what you see today, you know, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications. Comment below, shoot, if you want to see more videos similar to this, or just, I'm just enjoying, this was a fun video, something I just thought about on the fly. I thought I'd post this up, but listen, I appreciate you for watching. Thank you again. This is Troy. I will see you in the next video.